Sir, I do it my...
Came from Pangasinan with 11 children. Pangpito ako. Right? Mga panganay namin, 5 boys, but those 5 boys get no proper jobs kasi they never went to school. Kasi yung tatay namin, wala ding trabaho noon. Kasi lasing po yung tatay namin. The only thing I remember about our father, drinking, womanizing, gambling. Ganun lang buhay namin noon. But yet, I never complained. But we find solutions. Pag may target tayo, talaga, at ginagawa natin yung trabaho mararating natin. So again, when I read, we are all have 24 hours a day, right? But how we use our time. Time is
Kahit anuman ang sitwasyon nyo sa buhay, kung sinabi nyo kayo ang pinakamagaling, kayo ang pinakamagaling.
Ang kahirapan para maabot ang mga pangarap.
Malayo ang nararating ng determinasyon, sipag at tiyaga.
From being a lowly housemaid,
Nagsimula bilang isang tindera,
Now she has her own company.
Ito ang kwento ni Rebecca Bustamante Mills. Siya po ang kasambahay to CEO.
Rebecca Bustamante's drive, passion, courage, and commitment have made her the successful CEO she is today.
Si Rebecca Bustamante umasenso sa sariling sikap sa ibang bansa pero pinili pa rin niyang umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Una kong ginawa, nagtinda ng pandesal sa madaling araw. Kukuha ko ng 100 pieces, may benta ko ng 10 peso. Makakabila na, may commission na ako doon na 2 peso, makakabila na noon ng 1 kilong bigas. So pag uwi ko, meron na kaming pagkain. Nakapag-high school ako dito sa Philippines. Nandun na yung eagerness ko at the young age. I need to work in Singapore for 4 years, but after 4 years, I need to get out, go to Toronto. And I was able to reach that goal after 3.5 years. So binigyan nila ako ng 1 day a month na day off. Ginamit ko yung day off para yung pagbabago ng aking pamilya. Hindi ako sumunod sa aking mga kaibigan na nagdi-day off. Yung time ko is very valuable. Talagang I was so determined to do it. Monday, Wednesday, I pursue my education, take up different courses. But Tuesday, Thursday, weekends, another part-time jobs. So that's how I developed my career in Canada. Talagang umapak ako sa ibang direksyon dahil yun ang direksyon na gusto kong puntahan. Kung gusto, pwede. It really depends on this heart and this. Pag pinagsama yung dalawang yun, pwede.